Good evening, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project and Magnetic Reversal News, bringing you a magnetic excursion update Sunday, April 27th, 8 p.m. Mountain Time, 2025. The super new moon boom tonight will push you out of your comfort zone. So will the severe weather and tornado risk all week. Keep calm. It's boom time. A multi-day outbreak of severe storms, including large tornadoes, on tap for the central U.S. this week. One of the most active days of severe weather so far this season is ahead for the upper Midwest early this week, including a risk of strong long-track tornadoes. The severe thunderstorm threat through Sunday night with large hail, flooding, isolated tornadoes, and gusts up to 70 miles per hour from Bismarck all the way down to Lubbock, Texas, the nexus of the Schmexus. Here is the severe thunderstorm threat for Monday afternoon and Monday night, with a high threat for Minneapolis, Davenport, and areas like Sioux Falls. You can see the bullseye there. And the exclusive tornado risk outlook here Monday afternoon through Monday night, all the way up to Minneapolis, Rochester, Dubuque. Heads up, Des Moines, you are in that high-risk area. The severe thunderstorm threat continues Tuesday and Tuesday night with hail, flash flooding, and isolated tornadoes. The Northeast and the Great Lakes region could be the hardest hit, as well as North Texas. And here is the full forecast. We have extremely critical fire weather in New Mexico and West Texas. You can see the warnings here up in pink all over the Four Corners region there. Severe thunderstorms for the Great Plains. Like I said, extremely critical fire weather, level 3 of 3, including high winds and very dry conditions, is expected this afternoon and evening for central and southern New Mexico into far west Texas. Isolated to severe scattered thunderstorms are possible, mainly this evening into early Monday morning across parts of the Great Plains. Large to very large hail, damaging winds, and a few tornadoes are possible. You can see those warnings up here, and the warnings will move east. Looks like some frost and freeze warnings up here in the Appalachians, Ohio, West Virginia. A quick look at the GFS model. We'll walk it through here. There's that severe weather threat tomorrow up in the northern plains. It will regroup on Tuesday here, move to the central U.S., and then again and again over in Texas there, that severe weather threat blows up day after day there. This is going to be a big one. First week of May here on Tuesday, that is going to be some type of severe weather clash. And so big things will be happening there in the first week of May. Quick look at total snowfall, and we can see there is going to be system after system in the west through the first week of May, and that's where that severe weather threat's going to come in here after this snow comes across here on May 4th, 5th, and 6th. That's when that severe weather explodes in the center of the U.S. But significant snow coming to the Rockies and the Sierras and all mountainous regions for the West. Keeping a close eye on Iceland for the next eruptive phase, and I found a great resource, fireandiceland.com, where you can get the latest 3D imagery of where those earthquakes are happening beneath the Reykjanes Peninsula. It also has crustal deformation graphs, live cams, ground tremor, and more. It is quite a spectacular resource. All the links will be below. Quick look at seismic update. Interesting rumbler here in South Dakota, a 2.6. Normal activity worldwide. Nothing of any significance. Quick look at space weather for April 28th. Few pinpricks on the disk. Nothing significant. No flaring. The sun has gone silent. 3-day geomagnetic forecast, all quiet on the Western Front. KP down at 1. This is an interesting article. The largest structure in the universe may be 50% larger than we thought. And there it is. The largest known structure in the universe may be much larger than they thought. It's a re-examination of the distribution of powerful space explosions that are called the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. originally thought to be 10 billion light years across, well, they may actually be 15 billion light years across. That is mind-boggling. 15 billion light years across in this structure. Whatever this is. Let that sink in. The new supermoon boom on April 27th tonight will push you out of your comfort zone. The first super new moon of 2025 in Taurus meets the square between fiery Mars and changeable Pluto, which could create tensions and unpredictable changes, according to Katharina Fuchs. Well, what is a super new moon boom? Well, just like a supermoon is when there's 2 full moons in a month, a super new moon is when there's 2 new moons in a month. And April 27th is the second new moon this month. And that is a super new moon boom. China disrupts Earth's rotation. NASA confirms massive project is slowing the planet with unprecedented global consequences. You can't make this up. In a groundbreaking revelation, NASA confirms that China's monumental Three Gorges Dam project is subtly altering Earth's rotation and raising global environmental concerns. So here it is in a nutshell. The Three Gorges Dam in China is the largest hydroelectric dam globally, symbolizing China's engineering prowess. NASA suggests that the dam's massive water displacement might influence Earth's rotation, affecting the planet's natural balance. The dam's reservoir, when full, could lengthen the day by 0.06 microseconds and alter Earth's shape. The potential impact of human construction on nature emphasizes the need and understanding of these consequences before, let's say, we start triggering major earthquakes or something else terrible occurs. Please give us support over at our Rumble channels. We've got Magnetic Reversal News and Oppenheimer Ranch Project. Both channels are linked below in the comments section. So please follow our channels over there. Last night's show on Magnetic Reversal News, Why Do We Have Meteor Showers? Well received, a fantastic show. If that interests you, please support us over there and go get it. Also support our other channel, Oppenheimer Ranch Project, over on Rumble, so we can rumble in the jungle. And that's a boom to knowledge. Please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Half of you watching are unsubscribed. And share this with like-minded people. And most importantly, be safe. We love you. And that is a boom.